Sometimes the queues.
Look at this one. Do you want to wear it?
We are off to... Where are we off to?
Poundland?
No, don't think so. I know we actually got to Poundland. We need to get paper in Poundland.
Yeah.
We need to get pyjamas for Naomi in PRIMARK. I started to get a loaf cake.
Loaf cake!
Oh, and also, we need to go into Boots to get bigger bottles for the baby. And some, the new Tommy to Pee dummies. They've come out with these new dummies, the flat ones. I want to try them. Yeah. That is so nice. That's so nice.
Do you look looking at quick.
So nice. Gemma.
Quick. I call my own one Shalom. Here's a line. Mummy, can we... Do you look cute?
I swear they've got Kylie Jenner's shirt. Seriously saw Kylie Jenner's shirt. Oh, I see slippers. They're men's slippers, but I don't care. Oh, look at those. Those are cute. So guys, the baby needed new bigger bottles, so I picked up these Avon one. I love these. Last time I used it was probably 6.5 years ago with my son who's just turned 7. So yeah, these were the bottles I used on him. I remember I got a voucher from Sainsbury's saying if I buy it I get £5 off. So I went and bought it and I was paid £4.50. Yeah, I've loved them ever since. So I got these and they went down because Boots have a baby event. So they went down to about £11.60 for 2. So I got 2. And then also, this is brand new from Tommy to Pee, and it's the Breast Soother. And I spent time in the store, and then I didn't realise, because one of the things is with these soothers or dummies, whatever you call them, you want it. I was worried that you can't use a dummy holder. But no, it literally, you can see right there in the picture, it's got a little hole there. You can basically use a dummy holder, and right next to it in the store was the dummy holder. Seriously, I was like, can you use the dummy holder? We can use the dummy holder. The dummy holder was right next to it. So yeah, this is £5.99, and the dummy holder as well is £5.99 for 2. And this one is you get 2 dummies for £5.99. It's quite expensive, but yeah, I'm gonna try it. I like the look of them. So yeah, and it's Tommy to Pee, and just can't go wrong. So you like them, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, take. Oh, look at this one.
Look at this one. Do you want to wear it?
Start with that one first. That one's cute. Yeah, PRIMARK pyjamas for kids are really, really nice. Go and try those ones on. It is literally a week after. I didn't pick up the vlog. A week and a half? Yeah. A week, maybe 2 days after. Since I last picked up the camera. Since then, I've gone to Matalan and bought more baby clothes. Oh my goodness. You've got a baby, it's every single month you're buying clothes. When it comes to baby clothes, I'm so picky. Oh, and also Matalan as well. Oh my goodness. When I went shopping in Matalan this week, right, normally when I buy baby clothes, I always buy baby clothes online, unless I buy in PRIMARK. Because obviously PRIMARK don't sell their stuff online. I was going to buy this stuff online, but then I was like, what, hold up, okay. If I buy online, it's going to take a few days for it to arrive in the store that I want to, because I usually click and collect. I thought, let me go and check out the store that I usually collect my orders in, because it's quite a quiet store. Like, it's quite not like, you know, there's no business there, like people don't come there. People do, because sometimes the queues, I was like, for some reason I was like, you know what, sometimes that store is a bit quiet. Why don't I just go in the store? Oh my goodness, they had all the baby products that I saw online. Sometimes don't even shop online. It's like, just go shop in store. Following day, baby's wearing his new clothes, because like he's growing, so obviously he needs new clothes. So I want to stop with this online stuff sometimes. Chocolate one or the lemon? Chocolate or lemon? Chocolate or lemon? Chocolate. This is how my bedroom looks right now, you guys. I am kind of like a sneak peek of a video that's coming up. I'm reorganizing my room basically. Before I end the vlog, I wanted to like because I know I mentioned like I went into Matalan, right, and got some baby stuff. Also I got some stuff from Sainsbury's. First thing I got from Matalan, I mentioned before in the video, I love it when like the sleep suits curve up like this. Like, you look so cute in this. What else I got from Matalan? Oh, this one, I got this one. He's already worn it because like I've started introducing like food to him. So you know when you wash clothes and they still like have a little bit of food around the, you know, the neck area. Oh, I hate that. Anyways, yeah, but this one's got I love milk in it. My son, my oldest, keeps saying he looks like a girl when he wears this. It's kind of true, but it's like they put it in the, it's unisex, so like I saw this online in the boys section, so boys and girls can wear this. So yeah, I think it looks cute in it. And to be honest, back in the day, a lot of kids used to like wear these collars, so it's not really like a girl thing. They used to wear it, like, so yeah, I think it's super cute. I've gotten some jogging bottoms from Matalan as well. These were £2. In Sainsbury's I got these white jogging, but they're like leggings, these white leggings, right? Yeah, you get it's a 2-pack for £6. Grey, it comes in a grey, and yeah, it comes in a white and grey, and he's currently wearing the grey one. I got him these bodysuits, long sleeve bodysuits from Sainsbury's, and this was a 2-pack for £5, and he's wearing, it comes in white and grey. And again, this one, even though you can't see it properly, it's the same as the first, this one, the Matalan one. It curves up like this, and it's at £5. I really love it. And I feel like this one will go really well with the Matalan jogging bottoms, like the white and yellow sample. And also I want to show you guys hand-me-downs that I saved from my other son, who's now 3. Now the baby's gonna be wearing this. It's like he's already like big enough to wear this, and it's basically this like what do you call one piece? Yeah, one piece. This one piece, and this one was from Matalan, you guys. I remember I got this for like £8 or £9. I saw it online. I was like, I need to get this. And you can see just that it's a proper like knitwear. I mean, you can see like it still looks good quality. So yeah, seriously, if you're gonna have more kids, just save hand-me-downs. I've got hand-me-downs for my son who was 10. Like yesterday I was organising my 3-year-old's clothes. And I was organising clothes that, you know, all the hand-me-downs that he can start wearing and stuff. And there's this top that my son, who's 10 now, he used to wear. And like, it still looks good quality. Oh no, I didn't buy it. I actually got a voucher. Yeah, I got a voucher because we signed up to like a prescription. And they gave us a voucher, a Marks and Spencer voucher. I bought him that top's from Marks and Spencer. Yes. I was imagining how my 3-year-old will look, and it will look proper smart. Little man's gonna look smart. Yeah, this again is this one with like the teddy bear and the ears, and then around the legs it's got the teddy bear and the ears as well. It comes with a top as well, the top somewhere, and like a pile of clothes that I need to iron. But yeah, this was this was a proper like outfit, and it was from Asda George. Today is a Sunday. I am organising my room today. What else am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm doing maybe 2 or 3 videos. I don't exactly know. On my next vlog, I'm going pushchair shopping. Yeah, so watch out for that. I'm heading into Mothercare for pushchair shopping. Oh, it got really dark. Anyways, bye guys.